Trigonometric Functions by Brooklyn Roback. This is a graph of y equals sine x. The x values are found in the unit circle. 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi is right here. In this trigonometric function, A stands for amplitude, or how far the graph reaches vertically. B stands for period, or the length of one cycle of the graph. H stands for phase shift moving left or right, and K stands for vertical shift moving up or down. So my example has an amplitude of 3, a period of pi, and a phase shift left of pi units. When graphing trigonometric functions, it's best to start with the parent function, which is y equals cosine 2x, which is shown here in the green line. And then it's best to do that first to translate it back over into your translation, which we used our example y equals 3 cosine 2 x plus pi, and that is graphed here in the red. This is the trigonometric function y equals tangent x. The x values are found on the unit circle. So 0, they get from right here, and pi over 2, they get from right here. Pi over 2 is also negative, but on the left side of the y-axis. You might have noticed that this graph does not go beyond negative pi over 2 or positive pi over 2. This is called an asymptote, and this graph completes one cycle between negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. This indicates that the period is pi.